In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com with OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the OpenAI platform website. Once you're there, log into your account. This is your gateway to accessing the API you'll need. After logging in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Here, look for the API keys area. This is crucial, as it's where you'll manage the access keys to use OpenAI's functionalities. Now you'll see a button that says Create New Secret Key. Go ahead and click on that. This button will generate a new API key for you, which is what you need to securely connect Make.com with ChatGPT. Once the key is generated, it's essential that you copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure. Now this part is really important. OpenAI will only show you this exact string of characters once. If you close the window now, you won't be able to retrieve the key again, so make sure it's stored safely for future use. Moving on to the next step, you'll need to connect OpenAI inside Make.com. So go back to your Make.com workspace. Whether you're continuing with an existing scenario or creating a new one, either works. Click to add a new module. This is where some exciting things will happen. In the search bar, type in OpenAI or ChatGPT. When you see the options pop up, select the specific action you want to utilize. This could be anything from generating text to analyzing data, whatever fits your needs. Once you select your desired action, a setup window for the module will appear. In this window, you'll need to click on the option to add a connection. This is where your saved API key comes into play. Now paste your newly copied API key into the designated field. This step securely links your accounts, allowing Make.com to communicate with OpenAI's services effectively. Once you've entered the key, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Make.com with OpenAI's ChatGPT. From here, you can start exploring all the possibilities that this integration offers. Whether you want to automate tasks or enhance your workflows, the tools at your disposal are quite powerful. If you followed along with me today, come back and let us know how it's working for you in the comments below. We love hearing from you about your experiences, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or feedback. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. It really helps us out and ensures that you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy